What am I doing?
Step out of the vehicle. We asked you several times. Step out of the vehicle.
Man, I'm not doing nothing.
Come on out, man.
On July the 22nd, 2023, at approximately 1:37 a.m., an officer with the Columbus Division of Police Freeway Patrol was on routine patrol when he was alerted by his rear-facing radar that a vehicle was quickly approaching.
Rear, scene, closing.
The officer caught up to the vehicle and activated his lights and sirens to initiate a traffic stop.
West James, Ohio tag. Henry King Edward 3074 on a violator, please. Can you roll down the window? No, roll all the way down so I can talk to you. All the way down. All the way down.
No. I got this is mine. License finish it.
Okay. Can you roll the window down so I can talk to you? I can barely hear you. I need you to roll the window all the way down, sir. You still live on Manchester? Where are you coming from tonight? Friends? Where are you coming from tonight? Your friend's house? Where's your friend's house at?
Shortly after the interaction began, the officer, believing the driver was impaired, asked him to step out. The driver refused to comply with the officer's order.
Yeah. Do me a favor. And step out of the vehicle.
Hell no.
Step out of the vehicle.
Don't.
Sir. Step out of the vehicle.
Hey,
Don't do it.
you don't want this. Get out of the vehicle.
Step out of the vehicle.
Do not.
Don't reach for anything. Step out of the vehicle, sir.
Man,
Step
what are you
out
talking
of the
about?
vehicle. Step out of the vehicle.
Come on.
Step out.
Step
Yes.
out of the vehicle.
Man,
Sir?
you are.
I'm going to
Stop.
tase you.
Stop.
What am I doing?
Step out of the vehicle. We asked you several times. Step out of the vehicle.
Man, I'm not doing nothing.
Come on out, man.
Step out of the vehicle, sir. Don't
Do
reach
not-
for anything.
Do not reach. Don't reach. Come on
Come
out.
out of the vehicle.
Come on out.
Come out of the
Or
vehicle.
you're going to get tased.
Man, taste for what?
Because come out of the car. Come out of the car.
Come on.
Come
Come
out
on,
of the
come on.
car? What
Yes,
are you?
step out of the car,
for
sir.
what?
Because come out.
Because for
We
what?
asked
No.
you to step out.
No.
Legally, we can have you exit the vehicle on any traffic stop.
Man,
You are
hell
violating
no.
the law.
I just gave you my driver's license
Come
and
on.
insurance.
Come on out.
No.
Come out of the
I'm
car.
not coming out. You are illegal. It's illegal.
Don't do this.
This is illegal.
You're going to get tased.
Man, taste for what?
Come out of the car.
Man, no. Man, y'all on some bullshit.
Step out of the vehicle, sir.
Man, hell no.
Don't.
Man, what are you talking about,
Step
man?
out of the vehicle.
How do you turn this thing off? Turn the car off.
Man, hell no. Y'all are some, y'all
Step out of
are
the
violating my rights. You're violating my rights. You're violating me.
Step out of the vehicle.
Hell no.
Get off me!
Man,
Quit,
you get
quit grabbing me! Quit grabbing me! Quit grabbing me! Quit grabbing me! Come out of the vehicle! Get out of the vehicle! Get out of the car! No. Oh! 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 We got one going. In that tag. My partner. You alright?
639. We got one going in that tag. That drove me and my partner.
The driver was able to put his vehicle in reverse, scraping the officers off of him, then fled away at a high rate of speed. Fortunately for the officers, the Columbus Division of Police helicopter was quickly overhead and located the suspect's vehicle.
Westbound. We are in the area here, 74. What kind of car are we looking for?
2018 Chevy 69. You have a better description of it?
Alright, couple guys, he's still westbound. He's past the door, looks like.
Copy.
Yeah, Trevor, westbound, past the Champion. Trevor, he's in the area here. He's 71 northbound, past the Frost. Yeah, Trevor, he's probably going 120. He's still northbound. Maybe slowing down and such here. Coming up to 670. Trevor, 6, that car, 10-3, 7111, top of the ramp, 10-5. Looks like it was on fire for a second there. Driver's not got out in front of that seat. He hit the pole at the corner there.
It was difficult to understand what the helicopter pilot was saying right there, but he said that the suspect's vehicle struck a pole at the top of an exit ramp, and it looked like it was on fire for a moment. This is where the precinct officers arrived on scene and took over.
That's how we got one cruiser pulling out. Came up the ramp there.
Show me your hands! 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 Show me your hands! Show me your hands! Get on the ground! Crawl away from the car! Show me your hands! Lay down! On your face! Get on your face! Get on your face! On your face! Hands on your back. Here, fucking here. I got cuffs, I got cuffs.
Here comes our canine.
Quit reaching. Here, let's move him over here and then we'll block this off.
Hey, yo,
He's reaching towards his back.
man, violating my rights, man.
1, 2, 3. And clear the car. Yeah. Grab his arm.
You may have hit that red car there, guys. I don't know. It felt like maybe it's a little bit. But he came up that ramp pretty good. Pretty good flex.
Hey, Walker.
That's fine. One in custody if you weren't there. Can you start us a medic? Looks like he has taser probes in him too.
I didn't do nothing.
Anything to hand me your license?
I don't know what's bothering me. Man, what is going on?
Stand up. What? If he'll stand and go in, if not, leave him on his side.
I'm only including this part of the video because I thought it was kind of funny. The vehicle the suspect was driving is currently behind these officers, and it is fully engulfed in flames, but these officers are standing around talking like it's just another day.
Good, how are you?
Hey, buddy. Nice to see you.
Oh, you too. We're going that one. We'll just hug, make it easy.
All right, buddy?
Yeah.
Somebody got sore, maybe?
A little sore. Okay. Thanks, adrenaline.
Sure.
Yeah.
Who's leg guy?
I was just trying to get him out of the wall.
You need a
Yeah, just good. I'll be alright. I tried to roll. He got me with the tire.
That car's on fire over there.
What?
Rich, you
No,
okay?
it's not. That's how they always look. For effects.
Watch yourself.